Hello YouTube, so I'm back again with our next Java tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use variables. Now, I'm only going to be going over the basics because there's more to variables than I will be explaining now, but I just I want to show you guys kind of like the real use and how they can kind of be used. So I'm going to write int x equals 10. I'm going to explain that real fast now. So what we're saying here is, we're making a new variable and it's going to be an integer. Int is short for integer, and then we're going to store it in x. And you know, in math class you can just do like x. If we were to say x equals 10 in math, and then if we do x plus 10, the answer would be 20. Well, we could do something similar to that in Java. So we're saying, alright, we have a new number stored in the value, or the letter x, and it's set equal to 10. Now the way we output that to the screen is very simple. We use system.out.println like I showed you, and instead of using those quotation marks, we just do x and it will output that to the screen. Now we can also tell Java, hey, we want to do something with this. So let me just show you real fast. This will output it to the screen, and we can also, so now we can actually have it add, subtract, and do stuff. And that's kind of the full functionality of system.out.println. System.out.println doesn't just output text or just the letter. You can have it output a bunch of stuff all in one line. So there we go. As you can see, x plus 10 equals, oh, I didn't mean to do that. X plus 10 is 20. And that is that. And one sec. There we go. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to use something called a string. Now, int and string are kind of our two most important variable types. And, alright, so string, I'm going to do it name, set it equal to some form of text, and that's just going to be the name of my channel, pbn Java. I can't type today. And if we do system.out.println, oops, I cannot type today. Sorry for the clacking on my keys. I'm trying to get a new mic. Whatever, doesn't matter. Oh, and we don't need those. Let me just do name. So yeah, whenever we're outputting variables to the screen, we don't encapsulate it in those quotation marks. We just use the name of our variable. And let's run this real fast. And I'm pretty sure the shortcut, yeah, it's F6. So I'm going to run it using F6 from now on. There we go. PB in Java is what's output to the screen. Now, there's something cool about Java, and I'm going to be explaining some very basic term. Like, this is a bigger term, and I'm just going to be explaining it in a much simpler context. So the way system.out.println really works too is like you can do name plus, and we can output more text than that. We can do, if we have a plus sign, we can put more text after it. Or, for example, actually let me explain like this first. So what we're saying here is, alright, we're going to output the variable name, and if we add this plus sign, alright, Java, we want to have more text than just like the letter name. And we can do system.out.println name plus is the name of my channel. So when we run this, what we're saying is PB in Java is the same name as our channel. But notice how there's no space between is, and that's because I didn't put a space between our text here, between the quotation mark. So that kind of shows you guys that how strict Java is. It doesn't put space and stuff in between characters or different words because it doesn't know. Computers aren't really that smart. The programmer's smart, and we have to kind of really tell the computer exactly what we want to do. And there we go. I just want to explain to you guys this, whatever the heck this is called. It's pretty much called concatenation, and we're just saying, all right, we're going to concatenate different variables or different forms of text with other things. So we can do PB in Java, and we can also have another variable, and we can name it, I'm just going to name mine age, and we're going to set it equal to 1, and we're saying name plus age, or no, alright, so that kind of looks confusing, but this is what I'm saying. Alright, we're doing name, which is PB in Java. So we're saying, alright, PB in Java, and then we just have plus signs, and we have the word is here in that, and then we're doing the variable age. So we're saying, alright, PB in Java is 1, because that's the number that's stored in age, and then we're doing years old, or, oh, I don't need that 1 there. 1 years old. So if we were to run this is what it would output to the screen. PB in Java is 1 years old. And yeah, that's that. I'm just trying to show you guys basically how concatenation works, and all it is you put plus signs in between what you want to output to the screen, and it saves you some time. And I'm going to end our tutorial here. And if you have a question or anything, just type it in the comments. I'll answer it. I'll respond. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned.